So taking off your caliper right here on my 2001 VW Beetle, a plug to keep the dirt from getting, there we go. There's the other rubber. Just gonna break them free. Unscrewing it, causing the uneven wearage. Yeah.
I mean, if this was a customer car,
This slide pin it free. So it. And the rotor's off. I wasn't prying from the correct side, and it came right out. This is my Beetle, so I don't care really much. But what I'm gonna do first,
brand new rotor.
expensive, but they, and sorry about that, folks. Flush. There we go. And I can screw. There's a sensor connected to, if I'm wearing down the rotor.
Basically, it's just a ground. It'll send a code to
Notch right and push it down. So it clips into place, so the new brake pads hold. And I'm gonna take the new pads. Yeah, buddy, it's on. There we go. Like when you go to the auto parts store, it will say on the container, that's now just the issue of me getting some on there. Not Snap-on tools, I know. I think I overdid it this time. Yeah, and yeah, you can. You'll probably be hearing shifting noise. Not shifting noise. That's another. There we go. Gone. Crank windows in this. I mean, actual.